Hello, you're watching Proactive. Joining me is Ron Mitchell, the Executive Chairman at Global Lithium Resources. Ron, very good to meet you. So for viewers not familiar with the company, tell us a little bit about Global Lithium Resources.
Yeah, good morning, Stephen. Great to be back. Look, we're a young company. The company I listed on the ASX back in 2021, and since that time we've delivered an outstanding portfolio of projects. First and foremost, our Mana Lithium project, a project now grading at greater than 50 million tonnes at 1%, and our second project, our Marble Bar Lithium project in the Pilbara of Western Australia. It's an 18 million tonne project at 1%. And look, these projects both have tremendous growth potential. Our Mana project is now being developed by way of a formal definitive feasibility study. We'll be looking to deliver that to market shortly, and there's a whole range of technical de-risking work streams which are ongoing as well. So certainly a busy time. We've delivered a lot in the last 3 years, and the next 6 months are going to be instrumental for the company.
So Ron, going to your Mana Lithium projects, in June you increased your 2012 JORC deposit by 43%. So really looking good there.
Yeah, look, that was a big campaign for us. We've been drilling now for 2 years at our Mana project. It's a great place to be developing a lithium project. It's about 100 kilometres to the east of Kalgoorlie, a very famous mining town here in Western Australia. We've got great access to infrastructure and operating rail line, located approximately 8 kilometres south of the project site. We concluded a 60,000 metre exploration infill drilling program in December of last year. We delivered those results to market earlier this year, and that culminated in a very significant increase to the mineral resource across the project, a 43% increase in fact. But importantly, about a 63% increase in the indicated resource classification. So that's fundamental for our improved geological understanding of the asset, and that'll obviously feed into the DFS by way of an updated mine schedule. So yeah, thrilled with the results. We've got a real project here.
And you also make the point that it's the second largest lithium resource in the eastern goldfields.
Yeah, correct. When we first acquired this asset, it was operated under a joint venture. We had an 80% interest in the project. We took full ownership back in 2022. In October, and since that time we've taken the resource from a maiden third mineral resource position of about 9.9 million tonnes to now well over 50 million tonnes. So great result, and that puts it in a very great company by the way of mineral resources. They've got the largest deposit in the region. That's the Mount Marion lithium mine, and it's not too far from our asset as well. So great position to be in going forward.
Take us through some of the potential you're seeing at the Marble Bar Lithium project, Ron, because that's in one of the world's major hard rock lithium provinces.
Yeah, correct. We've got two operational mines, very large operational mines located to the west of our Marble Bar project. Obviously the Pilbara Gore and Wodgina lithium mines operated by Pilbara Minerals and Mineral Resources respectively. Look, our project at Marble Bar, it's a large land holding. We currently have a resource of 18 million tonnes at 1% lithium. It's located approximately 160 kilometres south of Port Hedland, which is a very famous export terminal for a whole range of commodities, lithium included. We think we need some more time to really explore this land holding. It's a really significant land holding. We've only explored a very small fraction of it. So our view is let's develop Mana first, get the Mana Lithium project up and running, and then turn our attention to Marble Bar in a big way. We've had very significant inbound interest in terms of partnering and also offtake for our Marble Bar Lithium project. But at the moment, we're going to land bank that project, and our expectation is that the value of the asset will only improve over time.
Ron, you said there was lots of news flow expected in the months ahead. So take us through some of the catalysts that investors should be looking out for.
First and foremost, the DFS. We also have some really important land access and approvals milestones which will come together in the coming weeks and months. And most importantly, our native title mining agreement. That's very close to completion now. And of course, once that's completed and executed, that will pave the way for the grant of the mining lease for the project. So the back end of this year, we'll be one of only a handful of companies on the planet that has completed a DFS, that has a mining lease in hand. It's well capitalised. We've still got circa 27 million in the bank. So as that market rebounds moving into next year, Global Lithium will be in a tremendous position to capture all the upside. So a very exciting position, lots of hard work to do, no doubt, but very well positioned.
Well, Ron, I hope you'll keep us posted on any progress. Thank you very much for the introduction today.
Look forward to it, Stephen. Thanks for your time.
That's Ron Mitchell, Executive Chairman at Global Lithium Resources.